Good afternoon, students. Today, our topic for class 7th in GK is Fun with Numbers. This is the 20th chapter. So, there are some questions and uh, which we have to give the answers. The first one: in the first and third digit of each number are interchangeable. If the first and the third among these below mentioned numbers, if the first and the third digit of each number are interchanged, which number will be their third lowest? So there are three questions. One is, first number is we have to interchange with third number. Then what will be the third lowest number? Not first, not second, third lowest number. So the answer is 347 will be the third lowest number. Next, the average age of man and his son is 22 years. The ratio of their ages is 19:3 respectively. What is the man's age? Here, the average age. Average means, if we are telling about the average age, here I need a we should solve it with the pen and copy, but I will explain it as I am doing it on pen and copy. Let the man is A and his son is B. So average age of man and his son means A plus B is equal to A plus B divided by 2. So which is 22 years. Which is 22 years. It means that the total age of man and his son is 44 years, because A plus B by 2 is equal to 22 years. A plus B is equal to 22 into 2, that is 44 years. If the ratio is 19:3, means if the father age is 19, so son's age is 3 years. It's respectively. The man's age is 19 and son's age is 3. So total is 22. So we have to double it, because total age of both the people is 44 years. If ratio is 9:3, so 19 double is 38 and 3 double is 6. So man's age will be 38 and son's age will be 6. So the answer is 38 years, B part. Third question. Sumita and Sumil are celebrating their Ruby wedding anniversary. How many candles should they light? So the question is here arises is, what do you mean by, or what is the meaning of Ruby wedding anniversary? So far Ruby wedding is concerned, Ruby means 40th wedding anniversary. 40th. So if they are celebrating their 40th wedding anniversary, Ruby wedding anniversary, so they need to have 40 candles to light. They need to light 40 candles because it is their 40th wedding anniversary. Ruby wedding anniversary is 40th wedding anniversary. Fourth question. If you drive to a shop at an average speed of 30 meter per hour and return at an average of 20 meter per hour, what is your average speed of the entire journey? So while we are going to shop, speed is 30. While we are coming back, so speed is 20. So we can have, it is not, we can have 25 meter per hour, because suppose the distance is 10 meter, outward journey will take 20 minutes and homeward journey will take 30 minutes. So 20 minus is in 50 minutes is average of 24 meter per hour. So we can have 25. What is the lowest number into which all the numbers from 1 to 10 can be divided? We have to tell the number which can be divided by all the 10 numbers, that's 1 to 10, and we have to identify the lowest number. So the lowest number is 2520. 2520 is the lowest number which can be multiplied by all the numbers from 1 to 10. At what, the sixth question is, at what temperature do the centigrade and Fahrenheit scale coincide? Minus 40 degrees. Minus 40 degrees is the temperature when centigrade and Fahrenheit scales coincide. Okay, these were the 6 questions. Now the last is Sudoku. So it is 9. You have to make the Sudoku. For time being, or just an guess, the first line is like that: 9 6 5 4 2 1 7 3 8. So in all the corners you have to add. It should be complete, either row wise or column wise. It should be equal. So next line again I can solve it. 4 is written there, then we have 3 8 5 7 9 1 2 6. Third line: 1 2 7 6 3 8 9 4 and 5. So these 3 lines I have already, for your help, I completed. So remaining 6 lines are 2 portions. One portion I have already completed. 2 portions you need to complete as an idea. So thank you and have a nice day.